How to fix connection timeout problem in Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix a connection timeout problem in Play Store, launch a Play Store in your device. Now the issue is basically because of the Wi-Fi issue. To solve it, drop down your notification center. Disable your Wi-Fi connection. Then you can go ahead and switch into a cellular data. If not, you can even try by enabling your airplane mode for a couple of minutes. Then turn back off your airplane mode and switch into a better Wi-Fi or cellular data and try again. If it does not work out, press and hold onto your app to go to App Info. Start by force stopping it, head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. However, if the issue still persists, check out your phone settings. Within your phone setting, head to System Update and make sure your system is up to date. By this way, you'll be able to fix a connection timeout problem in your Play Store. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.